walking around with one wayward lock, and Juju the camera kid didn't even say anything. You crying inside? I used to fill up my car for like $17. Okay, it's cold. Gotta go. Bonjour, mes amis, and bienvenue to my 25 days of vlogging. C'est moi, Jessie, your resident Francophile, and here on Cappuccinos and Consignment, I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, and follow. Follow me over on Insta. I have a vlog. He wants to be on the vlog, I already confirmed. And I'm desperately trying to find my way on TikTok. So we are heading to a bakery. We ran a few errands this morning. Now we are going to celebrate with some delicious cookies and a cappuccino. Because, oh, there's the light. Because I only, hi, thank you, you too. Thank you so much.
Y'all looking fly though.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna head to the bakery. And there's an Apple store here. I can't remember what I need, so that means I don't need to go in. But I'm gonna flip the camera. Peppermint. What do you think? Oh, okay. I'm so glad that I include finance in like my tagline, because I feel like I am always talking about money. I had no clue how expensive, oh wow. I had no clue how expensive these cookies were. And when the husband typically comes to the bakery, he buys dozens or a dozen. There's music. No, I hope I don't get a copyright. Hold on one second before we go in the store. The husband typically buys like a dozen of these cookies. They're $5 a piece. We all got one cookie, okay? And I wanted to try like this peppermint bark something. I don't know. Yeah, let me know if I have a piece of hair sticking out. I've been walking around with one wayward lock, and Juju the camera kid didn't even say anything.
I didn't notice.
You didn't notice it? Yeah, so needless to say, I stuck to what I knew. So let's head into Sonoma. I'm looking for the seasoning and a new espresso machine, possibly. We'll see. Alrighty, ciao for now. I keep forgetting that some of these stores have music playing outside, and I do not want a copyright strike. Since I only paid for an hour of parking, wait 1 second, I want to get people. So you know what, it's too much music. I can't risk this. I'll see you all in a bit. Ciao for now. Okay, so I utterly detest paying for parking, and I had to 2 times today, but it's all good. I couldn't risk getting a copyright strike. Like, I have had issues here on YouTube with copyright when a car drove by. I don't get it, but I don't want to test it. So we just finished up there. I love William Sonoma. I go there. They have really good like seasonings, but I also go there for inspiration. They're pretty pricey. Some things you can't help but to buy there because I can't find it anywhere else. But a lot of times, come on, baby. A lot of times you can find similar pieces at like Home Goods or Home Sense. And you all know I am all about saving where I can. So I love going there for like inspiration. And yeah, that's about it. So did not want to go over my hour mark. That's all I paid for. So we're gonna head to, I don't know where we're going right now. We'll see. And I'll take you along with us. Ciao for now. Are heading to a thrift store. I totally forgot about that. I have been looking for a chest of some sort to store baby China's toys because it looks like a daycare. I looked online and I saw some options, but I want to see what I can find at a thrift store first. I always try to go the more affordable path and sustainable. So we'll check out this thrift store and then we'll head to like Target and Home Goods next. So let's see what's inside. Okay, no luck at the thrift store. And I checked at a Ross as well. I'm so proud of myself because I did not buy a thing from the thrift store and they had some really, really nice coats as if I need another. And I'm just really trying to get better at that. Only buying what I need, and I do not need a coat right now. Let me see. I said I was looking for a toy box, a chest of some sort. So now we are heading to Home Goods. Let's see what we can find. And maybe we'll stop at Target or something. I don't know. We'll see. No luck. So we're going to try a TJ Maxx. She would absolutely love that. You see? So that is the last stop. No trunks. And I swear, when I'm not looking for these things, they're like giving away trunks. Like they're just outside. So yeah, I'm gonna order it online. I need to head home because I am almost finished selecting my pictures from the photo shoot I took on, photo shoot I did on like vlog 15. So yeah, see you all at the house. Ciao for now. No, lift the handle. I'm trying to help with the car. Yeah, but don't squeeze. No. Don't squeeze that yet. Let it go. Yeah, so go ahead, put it there. Okay, now you need to look and check which grade you want. So, yeah, and so if you click your finger there, yep, let it go. It should be able to run by itself. Voila! Yay! Juju the camera kid! Juju the camera kid, make some noise! Oh! Can I tell you, crying inside? I used to fill up my car for like $17. Okay, it's cold, gotta go. Yours. Bonjour, mes amis. I I am home. I am going to get this vlog edited and hopefully up before, I'm not drinking a double espresso. I just had to move this because baby Chena is on the loose. Please don't mess with my tripod. No, no, no. Come here. Come on. Allons-y. Is that nice? That's not nice. Okay, I need to end this. I need to get the checklist of things that I am working on from the brand. I did not do anything over on Insta last night. I did with my famille, but I'll go live or something at some point today. So if you are on Insta, I will see you in a bit. And if not, I will see you tomorrow. Alrighty, ciao for now.